Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I'm going to start a new series on Laser Jumpstart. It is a pretty neat program. I started having it about 16 years ago. They were at the ARA show, which is now the APA show, and I bought their suite. Well, through the years of many computers, I've lost it, but I used it for many things. Now, today's video is going to be about Boxit. There are a lot of programs out there, some that are pretty reasonable, and some of them are pretty quick. But within Boxit, it's also easy. I want to have my material as an 1/8 of an inch curve, 0.04, which is their setting, which works. The tab width is 1/4. My box height is 1 inch. I'm going to have a lid and a bottom. And all I have to do is hit OK. Well, I'm going to take away labeled parts because I don't want the parts labeled. And in that quick, it drew a box and it's ready to go, ready to cut out. Now, and you can rearrange them to get them in your bed a little tighter so you can save wood and save space. Now, when I said that there's many programs, and some of them out there even for free, and I'm not going to give any prices because I've been talking to the owner. And first of all, I'm not associated with these people. I'm not making any money on this. I like just putting out what's out there. So there are many programs that can do that. But Boxit, to me, is the only one that can do this. This is like 2 boxes, and they fit perfectly. I've made these in years past. And seriously, I just got this back yesterday, and I'm really looking forward to playing with it and making boxes. So you can't do something like that, but you also can't do something like this in a normal Boxit. Even inside a Boxit, this is called Pedestal. I just went out to the shop and cut one out. It fits perfect. Now, the joints can't be perfect because we've got angles here, but that's kind of standard. I mean, there's no other way to go around that, but these joints fit good. I mean, look at even the top. So to use a pedestal, let me get it off the page quite a bit. I'm just going to make a square. I'm going to go to arrange and convert it to a curve. Let's see how big this thing is. It's almost 5 inches, which is fine. So what we're going to do now that it's a curve, I'm going to change my nudge factor to like a 1/2 of an inch. And I'm going to take my node and bring it in a half, select it, bring it in a 1/2 inch. And you could do anything. I used to make these in the past. Matter of fact, let's even go a little bit more. And I would put, after I had pedestal inside a Boxit do it, I would put like bricks on here and make it look like a bridge. So inside of Boxit, there is a deal right here called pedestal. Same thing, 1 inch, 1 inch, 2 inch height, 1/8 inch material. The tab is 3/4, which is fine. The kerf is the same. We want a lid and a bottom, and we want it in red. There's several different ways you can do this, but watch this. In just a few seconds, you have it put it back in my home. Let me back up here. Yeah, it put it way over there. So let's tell you what, maybe it just puts it on the page. So let's put that in there. Let's go pedestal again and just hit OK. And look at that. In just a few seconds, you have I'm going to actually try a while back, we were trying to make like a pyramid. I mean, this thing is unbelievably good because, I mean, the joint up here, look at that. This piece fits inside there. I mean, the engineers at Laser Jumpstart. Anyway, I'm not going to list prices because talking to the owner, there's a bunch of different price options maybe, depending on what version of Corel you have and whether you get like Boxit and Flex it together and frame it and name it. I can't wait to start using name it again because it makes life so much easier inside of Corel. Art Welder and Rapid. I've used all these before. Frame it's not that big a deal for me because I can draw and put stuff in frames, but I'm still going to show it off. I'll put their website at the bottom of the video and just kind of check them out and contact them and see what they can't do for you. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.